Hey there, it's Dan Hamilton with Hamilton & Company of Keller Williams Realty, Greenville Upstate, coming to you with another tip. Here we are in March and spring is right around the corner, and this is a great time to refresh, improve your home both inside and out. So today I want to just share a few of my favorite personal tips for maintenance and spring cleaning. So first of all, you're going to want to do an exterior inspection. So walk around your house, take a look at all the gutters, especially your air conditioning unit. As it starts to warm up, we're going to want to turn that on, and so you're going to want to make sure all that is working properly. So take a real close look at all those things. If you need to call in a professional, now's the time to do that. Go ahead and get ready for the warmer months that are coming. So take a look on the exterior. That's my first tip. Especially I want to go back to that gutter issue. When the rains start to come and those gutters are clogged, you're going to have a lot of other problems that go along with that. So you want to really make sure you're inspecting everything on the exterior of your home, particularly your gutters. Secondly, this is the time where we want to start preparing our yard for growth. You know, the April showers that are coming are going to bring those flowers. So now's the time to start preparing, pruning back, getting any of those leftover dead bushes and shrubs out now before it starts to warm up, and start planting. Early spring is a really good time to start preparing and getting those flowers and all the things ready to bloom. So take a look, prepare your yard. Now's the time to do that. And then third, inside is the time to take a look at really doing a great cleaning, making sure that all the things, your filters are changed, all those different things in your home. Open up the windows, let some fresh air in, scrub those baseboards, knock out all that spring cleaning. That's the time to do it. So take a look at that. So spring's here, warm and sunny weather on the way. Hopefully it inspired you to just take a look at a few things on your home to get ready. And if you're thinking about going on the market, this is absolutely there's never been a better time to do that. We can help you with a few more advanced tips to really make sure that your home sparkles and shines and gets top dollar in this market. So if you're interested in selling your home, I can offer some additional insights into preparing your home to sell for top dollar. So give me a call, we'll do that. And of course, we have the ultimate guide for spring cleaning on our blog at mygreenvillehome.com. It's a great resource for you to download. Just go check that out if you want to dive deeper into any of these items. Thanks for watching, and of course, I would love to hear from you if you ever have any questions about real estate or want to talk to me about getting your home on the market or meet with one of our great buyer specialists. I'd love to do that. Give me a call anytime, 864-527-7685. Thanks for watching this, and I hope you have a great day.